The date is May 14th, 2021. There's been a difference in only 2 days. Somehow, magically, we've gotten enough water in the pool that I can open the skimmers. I had the hose on all day until 8 p.m. on the 12th, from 6 in the morning till 8 p.m. on the 13th. Today being the 14th, about 6:30 I turned it on, and it's been running all day until 1 p.m. or so, whenever time this is right now. We are right up to the top step. We have just enough water. This is kind of where I keep the water in the pool. And if we swing back 180 degrees, you can see that we have enough water almost up to the top of the skimmers, in fact. But it's not skimming any of this because none of it's open. So let's do that now. So the first step in opening the skimmer is to remove the thingamajobber. There's something interesting I found in this one. It's crushed. It's like it collapsed. It's very wonky to unscrew. I don't know, I've never seen this before. The label is coming off of it. This is tricky to unscrew. I hope it is unscrewing. I know it's usually a good few turns. Really? Oh. Is that supposed to be open at that end? Well, it couldn't have sucked anything through, so I guess so. Why was there suction? That's strange. Anyway, there's nothing completely foreign in there, so that's all fine and good. There's some label remnants, which I can't do anything about, so that's weird. And we have a little basket to put in, so we'll get that. And we'll just drop that down in. Plump. Okay, time to go to the plumps. Okay, that is the east skimmer. I chose that in particular because it's the farthest away from the pool equipment, so that way it'll give me the hardest time and dishearten me even more. Alright, so we're all set here. Now, the pool is started up by itself for today and yesterday, and it was able to catch prime and get going, but you can still see that there are bubbles in there. And I think I found out why. We're going to prove it now, but I think that because we have the strangulation fitting in here and both of the skimmers off, we're actually not delivering enough water to the basket of the pump for it to pump out. And that may be why. Although, oddly enough, last year that didn't seem to be a problem. So I'm confused. But anyway, we're going to open the skimmer and hopefully those bubbles will go away. This is a lot better than it was yesterday, for what it's worth. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and open this just a little tiny bit. Okay. Don't know if you can see anything because I can't see the camera screen, but we have a lot more bubbles in the pump basket. That's good. I'm okay with that. They seem to have cleared. We'll give it a little kick more. A little kick more. Where's there? Oh, okay, there we go. There's all the air. Well, it took it long enough. Maybe if we're lucky, maybe, because I just have it cracked open a bit. Maybe if we're lucky, it will purge this air and this skimmer will be operating. That would be grand. It would be kilo. It would be mega. That looks good. Nope, that's not good. That's better. I'm seeing less bubbles in there. All the way. Let's just wait 10 more seconds here. You could say your Pledge of Allegiance to the pool. Pledge allegiance to the pool and promise not to pee in it. Even though those who say they don't pee in it anyway. Everybody pees in the pool. Looks like it worked. So let's go open the other skimmer. And it looks like my theory was correct. I love that. It's just fucking fluid dynamics, people. It's just simple physics. I mean, for fuck's sake. Second worst, same as the first. The open. The leaves. The floaty, don't let it freeze in there thing, whatever the hell it's called. And you see how many turns this is taking to get out. They screw in pretty good. Any day now. There it is. And they have two different size threads. Mine are the smaller ones, just it is. Put that aside and get the basket. Put in the basket. And go back to the plumps. Okay, now the West skimmer, play the same game. Just crack it open. We got air. That's expected. Okay, it took that. I'm being overzealous to open it more now. There's some more. There we go. There it is. Now, with any luck, because we have the main drain and the east skimmer already solid water, it should purge this air really without too much trouble. I like that kind. That's it. Open it up. Oh dear, that's not good. Maybe I broke it. I would have thought it would have purged it by now, but I guess not. But this is a good test, because now we have a lot of air in there. I want to see if I can get you a better shot. Just can't see a damn thing in the sun here. There's the pump there. Take a watch. That's it. It's done. That simple. That fast. Wow, that was too easy. Awesome. Take a gander at that. That's a properly working skimmer. Will the Flot Sam and the Jet Sam... What does Sam have to do with this? And who's Flot and Jet? I never understood that. But anyway, all that's going in there. It's already collected a handful of shit. You ever take a green shit with like dingleberries in it? Yeah, I don't like those either. Yuck. But anyway, that's what happens, you know, when they plumb Joe's plumbing into my pool, so, you know. Anyway, that's going to work on skimming stuff, which I think is the point. So we're going to go ahead and put the covers back for now. Can anybody tell me why this happened? That's, I never seen that one. It wasn't stepped on either. You definitely see crushes and creases. I'll have to see if I could shape it back into shape or fashion it back into shape. But otherwise these go away. And that was opening the skimmers. Now that the skimmers are open, like I said, it's going to be skimming, as you see there. And of course the other one there is doing the same. But that opens up a lot of other possibilities, because now that it's skimming, we can open the filter and get the pool filtering. We can add chemicals and all kinds of stuff. So that's what's next. I think next we're going to put chlorine tabs in, and then we'll go from there. So thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and we'll see you in the next part. All right, take care. Bye-bye.